Hello. So somebody asked on one of my replies to this of what it was, how I was going to wrap it and finish off the prop. So I thought I'd put the quick little video on here. So this is the top. If you go back to the first video, see the thing's going to be about 13 feet tall. And this is the top half of it. This comes out to about 6. What I use, and I've used on my other ones, is this landscape fabric. I mean, I know you can buy the other fabric through, any type of Value Village or St. Vincent's, those things. I've got a lot of black fabric and white fabric, which is really, really cheap. But I like this stuff because it's not quite waterproof, but it almost is, so it doesn't get very heavy. It cuts really easy. You can see here how, it's easy to cut. I've even used a little heat gun on it, and it kind of gets up, but then it also holds its shape. You can see here's the hood. But anyway, and also it's really, really lightweight. And so this is what my guy looks like so far. There's his head and his hood, and I just painted some ribs on there. And then the next thing I'm going to use when I finish all this is, I'll put this down there. It's just some cheesecloth. I got this online, I think through Amazon. It's the nice thing about this one is it's 15 square yards, so it's 1 yard wide, so it's 3 feet wide, but it's 15 feet long. So like I said in my previous video, this thing's 13 feet high, so it's going to work out just great. I'm going to use probably 2 of them at the most, and I will get them and they'll just hang on both shoulders and some off the arms and stuff too. As you can see here, these are my arms. These are the ones that are going to go up and down. And I think I showed you before, here is the pulley system that will end up going to the back, so my arms go up and down. But again, just to make this short and sweet, you can see I used just landscape fabric, and it's really lightweight. You can paint on it really easy like I did for the ribs. It has enough strength to it. I just doubled it up in here. It actually folds in to give it a little bit more strength, so it just holds together. Anyway, I like it, and that's what I've used. So I'm going to post this so you guys can see how it's coming along. And the last thing too is once I put this on top of the other half, again, I'm just going to use another long sheet of landscape fabric down the very front of it to cover over the mechanism and be able to take it apart. And again, it's really easy. So that's it for now.